What if you could get Canada PR without high CRS scores, age limits, or even if your business fails? The Canada Startup Visa program makes it possible. The Canada Startup Visa is designed to attract innovative entrepreneurs who want to launch impactful businesses in Canada. No CRS score required and no age limits. This route is open to talented founders of all backgrounds. You need English or French skills, at least CLB5 to qualify, proven by an approved language test result. Up to 5 founders can apply together, as long as each holds at least 10% of the startup's voting shares. A letter of support from a designated Canadian incubator, angel group, or venture fund is essential to your application. You'll need to pitch your business idea to a designated organization and convince them your venture is innovative and scalable. Once supported, you may apply for a temporary work permit and permanent residency at the same time. Processing often takes months. Your spouse gets an open work permit and your children can attend Canadian schools while your PR is processed. You must show enough settlement funds. Amounts depend on your family size and ensure you can support yourself in Canada. Even if your startup doesn't succeed, you and your family won't lose permanent residency once it's granted. Recent 2025-26 updates mean new annual caps and priority processing. Apply early for the best chance. Start by researching designated organizations, preparing a strong pitch, then gathering documents for your letter of support and PR application. Many founders work with experienced immigration advisors or mentors to strengthen their pitch and navigate the application process smoothly. Ready to turn your startup vision into a Canadian reality? Your entrepreneurial journey in Canada starts here.